you've created your YouTube and TikTok, UK TikTok account, right? Do you just go ahead and start posting things just like that? The truth is, no. You don't just go ahead and start posting on and on, because there are important setups that you need to put in place if that your account must do well and attract viewers and pay you in whatever niche you are into, whatever content you're creating. So in this video, I am going to guide you step by step on how to set up your YouTube channel and UK TikTok account for monetization. If you're ready, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Drop ready in the comments. Let us go. So the first thing you should know is that setting up your account is something that we cannot finish in one day. It's a very broad topic. So we're just going to be doing a basic setting for now. Then you start posting on your accounts. Later on, we'll now do the advanced setting. The first thing you're going to need is what to source out for inspiration. You've created your account. What should be the name of this my account? What do I want to use it for? What should the description look like? When someone checks my profile, what should the person see? You cannot just create an account and just put it your name. Except if you want to be posting contents of your life, like daily life, I can now say daily life with Team Fire, that kind of a thing. So what happens is that whoever is coming, it's my personal blog account. So whomever is coming is not coming for another thing. So it depends, what are you using it for? If you're using your account for marketing, then you have to set your account to reflect marketing. If you're using your account for music, you have to set your account to reflect music. If you're using your account for anything at all that you're using it, you have to set your account to reflect that. You can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, I created a YouTube channel and a UK TikTok account, and I want to use my YouTube channel and TikTok account to create content like this. You will tell your YouTube channel your niche. For me, I want to sell digital gadgets or something like that. And you now suggest the best names for me. Now, we are looking at these names because you don't just want to put your name. Those names are very important for when people come to YouTube searching for something. Your name should appear. And if you just go and then put your normal name, when you are not known yet, you just put, let's say my name is Kenneth, and I just go and put Kenneth on YouTube. A whole lot of people are on YouTube, and a whole lot of thousands, millions of them are on YouTube. And someone cannot intentionally come to YouTube and search Kenneth, because what does Kenneth do? So someone can come on YouTube or TikTok, the person will go and search for weight loss because the person wants to lose weight. So if your niche is under weight loss, then your account name should reflect weight loss. All right. If your niche talks about gadgets, then your account name should reflect gadgets, something like that. So that when someone who wants to lose weight comes to YouTube or comes to TikTok and search for weight loss, your name will be suggested to the person, so that the person will subscribe, so that the person will find you. Now take a look at this channel. This is just a channel I created this morning and optimized this channel to use and show you about this thing. So if I come here and tap on this channel, can you see how beautiful this channel is? Can you see when you optimize your channel very well, it's really going to grow. I just created this channel this morning and I already have 2 subscribers. Made a post of 1 video. I got 670 views. Just 1 video. I'm new on this YouTube. I've not posted anything. Just posted 1 video. I already have 2 subscribers. Already have 670 views. That's what good branding does to you. So that's why you need to set up your channel for something that is interesting. So let me show you how I was able to set this thing up. Click on this edit channel. Once you've created a channel, remember how it's going to look like. So click on the edit channel. It will bring you to a place like this. You need to design a profile picture for this your channel. All right, the size has to be square. All right, and then you also need to design a banner for your channel as well. I made a video on how to do that, and I'm going to send it to you as well. Next thing is to come to your name. Tap on that pencil icon, enter the name you want to use. Then the next one, you click on save, come to handle, enter the name you want to be known for the handle. Now this name, the normal name, you should put a name that when someone comes on YouTube and search for it, you should be found. All right, so everything for smart living. If anybody comes and type if anybody sees this, like if someone is searching for gadgets for every day or someone types every day or everything, this thing should pop out. The name of my channel should pop out. All right, or if someone comes on YouTube and search for smart living, my channel should pop out. Then you can come to this handle and put your own personal name. But for that normal name, it should be something that talks about what your channel does, so that when someone comes and search for something like that, it's going to bring it out. Like someone who does videos about weight loss, you should come and make your video here to talk about weight loss. So this channel, I want to use it for affiliate marketing. That's why I optimized it this way to look like affiliate marketing. So the description, tap on it to go to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT what your channel is all about and what you want to use it to do. Tell it to give you a description. It will give you a beautiful description. You will take it, edit it. Look at my own. Imagine you just stumble into this channel and read this thing. What will stop you from subscribing? What will stop you from buying products from me? You know, this thing is to build trust. All right. Even when you're making a vlog videos or documentary videos, whatever niche you are into, you need to do what? Gain trust. Next thing, your community, turn it on. For private this thing, you can decide to turn it on or off depending on what you want. So we have finished setting up our YouTube channel. Let's go to TikTok. If you take a look at this my TikTok account, you see that it's almost exactly the same thing with that of the YouTube. All right, I've not gotten any followers. I already have 100 views here, 81 views here, 3 likes. Can you see? Now your TikTok will not allow you to put long description, all right, and they don't have space for banner image. So just upload your profile image here. To upload that, just click on this edit icon, then you can come here, tap on this place to change and put your profile this thing, then put a name that can be found when they are searching. I keep emphasizing on this. The next one, your username. This one cannot be your personal name or any name at all, right? The next thing, your bio. If you click on this bio, they are giving you opportunities of 160 words. Only 160 words, not unlike the YouTube that you had enough space to explain yourself in full details. This one is very little, so you just have to pick important words. On this page, you will discover must have tech gadgets, smart tools that save time, budget friendly products that actually work. So can you see how simple this thing is? So if someone comes on your TikTok account and sees your TikTok, it should be something that the person should have trust. All right, so that's the first setting, the basic setting that you need to start posting on your channels. If I am going to be taking you through Canva, that is where you're going to get your banner. I'm going to teach you how to design simple banner image from Canva, and at the same time your profile picture. So you go to your browser and search for canva.com. It will bring you to an interface like this, and you come and search for first we are going to design a YouTube banner. So you come and search for YouTube banner. Here we are. It brings you a whole lot of them, tons of YouTube banner. Tons of them. Now if you look at these banners, you are going to discover that most of them has crown. Look at a crown here. Most of them has a crown attached to each of them, and since most of them have crowns attached to each of them, you need to it means that you need to be subscribed to the pro version. You need a pro version for you to use this thing. If you're watching us from our WhatsApp tab, just go to the group. I've sent a link that you use and get the Canva Pro, right? Just click on the link and you can have access to all these premium features for free. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is that you look on it, which one speaks to you, which color do you like, what does your channel talk about, and all of those things. So you will pick according to those things. You can even come up here and select from categories. All right, you can select from categories, from styles, and all of those things. So me, I personally, I love this white background and this one, so I'll just click on it. To edit any of these things, you know, they are going to be putting images that are not from here. So just tap on the image, you will see down, look down, you're going to see replace. Select the replace, and then if you have not used Canva before, if you're first time using Canva, they are not going to bring out these images for you. So you just click on upload. Look up there, so you click on upload file, then you select from your gallery, right, from anywhere you want to get your images from. So when you select any file, it's going to upload here. Let's wait for a little while to show. Very good, it has shown here. So here is the file that I just uploaded. If you are a pro user, you can remove the background from here. Remove the background of that image that is selected. So I've removed the background from this. The next thing, I can just go and flip it. All right, flip it or decide just any one that you want. All right, so I removed my background and all of those things. This thing is looking a little something more relatable. All right, that's how you change the image. You can change the color of the background. I can come here, change the color to something like this. I don't know if you're getting how it's looking like. I can use the color wheel. And then look for something a little bit darker, something that, and you can even use gradient. Something like this. Yes, I love this. So the next thing, I can go to the color of this text, click on edit here to change the text. All right, tap the text, click on edit to change the text. After you've done that, you can even change the color of the text. All right, color is black, so I can select the color to be white. So can you see that? So if I select the color to be white, still come down here, select the color to be white. so that it can be visible depending on what you are doing. Can you see how the background is? I can still go down to the image behind him and still change all of those things if I want to. So looking at this now, this looks professional. All right, once you're done, you click on this share button here to download it. So you now click on download. So depending on what you want, all right, click on download and it's downloading, it's preparing your designs. Good, it's done downloading. Next thing you're going to do is just to go back home, go to under templates, once you're home, you go to templates, then you will search for YouTube profile picture, YouTube profile picture. All right, and here it presents you with tons of them. You can select any one that you like here. You can select any of this profile picture that you like, and you go and edit it the same way we edited the other one. Now let me show you how to upload the once you have finished editing and downloading. Let me show you how to upload it. We've been here. If I come here to this place now and tap on this, look, if you are looking here for the banner, tap on this banner. I especially want to show you the banner on so that you can see something. Then so if you tap on the banner, you come and select what you've just downloaded. What you're going to do is that you're not just going to leave your this thing like this. You will hold it and use 2 fingers and just do it back as if you're reducing the size. Look how big it was. So you do it as if you're reducing the size so that that area that you just edited will show. Right, once you have done that, you click on save. So you need to do what? Drag it and make sure that it is at the barest minimum before you will now save it. Those are just the basic settings that you need to start posting on your TikTok and YouTube channel. Right now you can start posting, but the truth is that's not all. But that's where we're going to stop for today. In our next video, I'm going to show you more advanced way to edit your channel to get views, to actually attract people, how to get, whatever you're doing out there, let people see it, how to go viral. All of those settings are coming. These are just the basic settings that we are doing for today. Now your channel and your TikTok account is ready to post. So you can start posting now the necessary settings in our next video. See you later.